I'm pleased to be joined by Steve Wood from Snow Software to discuss software asset management, also known as SAM, best practices. So Steve, for those companies that have already started on the software asset management journey, and knowing that as a global leader in SAM, Snow has many of these as customers already, are there any hints or tips you can give us for them to get the most out of their process?
Well, Chris, the best practice for SAM is to achieve full control and visibility of both the hardware and software within the business, but not just across desktop devices. It's also important to include all the servers, all the business units, and all software vendors, not just the top 5. And don't forget those hosted services. You can't make any decisions if you don't have the full picture.
Yeah, we often find that some of the biggest liabilities are due to clients being unfamiliar with a vendor's licensing rules. So with Oracle, for example, VMware is a good case in point.
That's right, Chris. And we find organisations that do this best have dedicated software asset managers, people with the licensing and product knowledge across all the relevant vendors. Organisations also need to have clearly defined policies and processes to continue the day-to-day management of the IT estate.
Yeah, we've seen liabilities which are greater than a company's annual turnover, which is kind of quite a scary thought. So any final thoughts from you, Steve, around best practices?
Well, Chris, as with any project, you need to get your foundations right. Then build up one level at a time, maybe on a vendor by vendor approach, concentrating on those areas that provide the best return. We'll be happy to meet with you to share our experience and help you prioritise those areas.
Well, thanks, Steve, for your time today. And if you want to understand how some of this can be applied to your organisations, then contact us via the website or by phone to arrange a free workshop. Also, check out some of the other videos in this series for SAM, compliance, and other best practice insights.